So today we're going to do something that we should have done about a month ago, and that is scalp the front lawn. So if you want to know how we did it, stick around, I'm going to show you how. So it's supposed to be a half an inch, but it looks like we are almost at 3/4 of an inch, but not quite. So I do think that we need to adjust this thing down to half an inch, and maybe even 3/8 of an inch, but let's see what happens. There we go. The other side as well. Tighten these back up. So now we are at 3/8 on both sides. So let's make sure this is nice and tight. So now that we've got everything down to 3/8, we can get out to the front and just take it down. It's going to be an interesting look when we're done. Let's just say that. So before we get started, I do want to point out that we will be collecting all the clippings, because if I don't, there's going to be so much stuff left over that it'll just be a mess up here. So we are going to collect it, and luckily tomorrow's garbage day, so they'll be picking up all of our lawn waste bags. So I don't know how many I'm going to fill, but I'm thinking it's going to be at least maybe 2, maybe 3. I guess that's my prediction. We'll see what happens. There it is. Looks amazingly terrible, and it's by design. So let's not freak out. See, like right there, we actually hit a bit of dirt. That's where that old stump was. If you go back and look at some of my old videos, there's an old stump that we had dug out, and so it's still kind of rearing its ugly head. But you can see where we're low and where we're high. Anything that's green, like there and there, that means that that's a low spot, because that grass is sticking up a little bit higher. And everything that's brown, like there and there, that's a very high spot. So what we're going to do is with sand, we'll be able to get all of this leveled off, and it should look amazing by the time we are all done. But yeah, so we got this side right here, we got up there, and then we got the side of the yard here. So right there is going to be okay because of the fact that we've got Bermuda there, but up here It's really perennial and fescue, so we'll see how it all reacts, but we'll be putting in those plugs there. So that's it. One more look, and this hopefully will be the last time we see it when it's this ugly, until we do our next scalp, which will be before we do our leveling project.
1 week later.
Perfect. So they're even, and we're done. That's it. It's pretty much as hard as this gets. So now we're back at 1/2 inch. We can go back up to the front and do our first mow since we did our scalp. So because of the storms we've had lately, I've got my wife going with my rotary Toro, and she's just picking up a bunch of debris. She's going through, we've got a bunch of sticks and leaves and all kinds of stuff in the lawn. So she's going through and doing that. And so we'll take the reel and we will come through right behind her and mow this. And then she can go to the back and take care of the back for me. She's an awesome lady. She's willing to jump in there and keep me from having to mow this thing twice, which I don't mind, but you know, if she wants to help and she's great at what she does, then of course I'm gonna let her do it. Considering that I just scalped the entire lawn less than a week ago, this is what I have in just half the front yard. So that tells you that it's all growing and it's doing really well. So pretty happy with it. Let's just finish up. All right, well, it wasn't too bad. I mean, considering we just scalped less than a week ago, yeah, I think we've got a few stripes, and I like the height. We just needed to fill in some more, but it was good to mow it today just so that we could see where everything was and if we're able to see some growth. So a couple spots like right there and right there, I'd gone all the way to dirt, and you can see that it's pretty thin. However, when we get really close, you can see that there's some green right there. So it's coming back just as we knew it would. It's the beauty of Bermuda. No matter how much you beat the crap out of it, it always wants to turn green on you. So with that, I mean, I think we are pretty much done. This is a great way to reset the height of cut for Bermuda. And now we just need to keep mowing it and taking care of it. So we'll come back and we'll probably be putting some more nitrogen here soon. Do have more fungus control. Not the favorite video for our audience to see is the fungus stuff, but unfortunately it's just something I'm dealing with, so I have to take care of it, and I might as well take you along for the ride. So not gonna happen for a couple more videos, but we're actively dealing with fungus right now. But yeah, just stay tuned for it, it's coming. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe if I've earned your subscription, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. Oh, and today is Memorial Day, and just wanted to say a heartfelt thank you to all the servicemen and women who have sacrifice for us, for their families, for their brothers in arms, and just thank you for your service, and thank you for all that our servicemen and women do for us each and every day while we are enjoying a day like today. So hope you guys have a great weekend and a blessed week, and we'll see you on the next one.